Do you know that you have enough English to survive in Canada, London, or the US, but you are still struggling to speak fluently? Why? Because you are thinking in Hindi or Tamil or Punjabi or Marathi, and that's what is killing your confidence. Welcome to the day one of One Speech Away Challenge. Watch all sessions if you really want to make a head start to your English communication journey. Today, I'm going to teach you 3 mind tricks that help thousands of people think in English. And yes, it works whether you are a housewife in Hyderabad or an engineer in Gurgaon. And the third one is super simple yet very effective. The results are guaranteed. Stick around. There's a challenge at the end that could change your life forever. And you get a special gift from me if you are able to complete the challenge. A few months ago, a lady from Delhi joined our personal mentorship program where we train very limited number of working professionals and housewives in effective English communication. Super smart. She could understand everything. But when she tried to speak, she would go blank. Why? Because every time she wanted to say something in English, she first thought in Hindi, then tried to translate into English. That 3-second delay ruined her flow. And in our talk rooms, where we make learners speak English with others, she just stayed silent. So I told her, don't worry about grammar or vocabulary. Let's teach your brain to think in English like it's your first language. She was shocked, but agreed. And what happened next was amazing. Let's get down to business and start implementing these strategies. Let's get to step number 1. Label everything around you in English. Do you know, wherever you are, home, office, market, your brain is already talking. Let's change that voice to English. I'll show you how. A. The next time when you are in the office, say aloud, "This is my laptop. I'm checking my emails. I need to finish this report. My colleague is on a Zoom call. Let me open the Excel file." You're not making a speech. You're just replacing the Hindi in your mind with English. Even if you are thinking slowly, that's okay. Even if you are using simple words, chill. This is not a competition. This is habit formation. Start small. Start simple. Staying consistent is more important than trying to be a hero. B. Let's take the second scenario where you are at home, and this is especially for a housewife. Speak aloud. "This is my kitchen. I'm doing the dishes. The pressure cooker is on. I'm folding my child's clothes. I'll put dirty clothes in the laundry for washing." Believe me, we have the same thoughts every day in our mind. You are just transforming these in English now. Similarly, when you are at the market, say aloud, "That vendor is selling bananas. I want 1 kilo onions. Let me take out my wallet. This shop is crowded today." You can slowly start expanding your talk and make 4-5 sentences around a particular thought. "These are fresh tomatoes. I should buy some. Let's have tomato soup in the evening. It has been some days since we had soup." No need to speak to others. Just observe and label everything in English inside your mind. Or speak out quietly or loud as the situation permits. Step 2 is quite interesting. Narrate your actions like a vlog. Now we go deeper. Don't just label things. Start describing your actions like you're a YouTuber showing your life. If you're a housewife, say aloud while cooking food, "I'm adding salt. The oil is hot now. Let me stir the curry. The rice is boiling. Let me put gas burner on low flame. I'm putting chapatis on the tawa." Don't always look to translate it word by word. If you're not getting words in English, speak it in your mother tongue. Sound simple? That's the point. You're teaching your brain to connect actions with English directly. No translation. Same way, while eating lunch in office cafeteria, say aloud. You can do it quietly or mentally. Like, "I'm opening my lunchbox. Today, I have rajma and rice. I am famished. This food is spicy. I'll take a sip of water. You don't need fancy English. You need daily English, real English, the kind you use every day. Same way, if you're window shopping in a mall, say aloud, this shirt looks good. That store is expensive. I'm just looking, not buying. I'm window shopping. There's a sale at Lifestyle. I like this perfume. Again, don't worry about speaking perfectly. Just narrate your life. And we are on step 3. And the magic formula is one sentence per hour rule. Yes, this is for busy people who say, I don't have time to practice English. Here is a rule. Speak one sentence every hour. That's it. But do it for 8 different hours a day, 7 days a week, and 30 days a month. Do it consistently. I'll give you 8 examples for 8 hours for tomorrow. You can choose your own. For example, let's start with 9 a.m. tomorrow. I'm starting my work. 10 a.m. I have to send mails to the HR about appraisals. 11 a.m. Let me have a short meeting with the team members. And then you come to 12 p.m. and say, oh, I need some tea. 3 p.m. I send the file to my manager. 6 p.m. I'm walking in the park. 8 p.m. Let's watch a movie. And 10 p.m. Yes, as always, I need to go to bed now. That's 8 real life sentences a day, 240 a month, and all without any class, without any app or grammar book. Now comes your part. If you really want to speak English fluently, don't just watch, do. I'll give you day 1 challenge, which has 3 steps. Challenge number 1, label 5 things around you in English. Say them aloud, like, this is my mobile, this is the chair, that is the wall. Challenge 2, narrate 10 different actions in English. Say them aloud with style. I'm making tea. I'm cutting onions. Challenge 3, speak one sentence every hour for 8 hours. Use the examples I give or make your own. Here is your reward. Once you complete all 3, WhatsApp us on 96483 96484 with the message challenge completed, and we'll send you a surprise gift. Promise. Something to keep you motivated. And this was just day 1. We take your confidence outside. Yes, to the public. You'll speak English sentences in real places. Are you ready for that? Hit subscribe, turn on the bell icon, and I'll see you in day 2. Don't give up. You are just getting started. See you there.